This is the guava plant. You can see the leaves are green. The unripe fruits are green in color. The ripe fruits turn yellow. The ripe ones turn yellow. The guava plant. Welcome to African Mom official YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the guava plant. As you can see, this guava plant, it does not require a lot of space to have it. I just planted one stem and I put some aesthetic stones around it, which we plastered. Just one plant, and this plant has given us all these fruits. Now, African way, what are the benefits of the guava plant? This guava plant is very important to us in Africa. They were the fruits which were there long time ago, even when our ancestors were there. The fruits which are green, you can see them, they are also edible. The fruits which are ripe are yellow, they are also edible. And then the leaves are also used. Let us look at the importance of the leaves of the guava plant. Now, when these leaves are young, we normally harvest very many of them. We keep harvesting the leaves like that. We harvest them, very many of them we harvest, and then we dry our leaves. We dry our leaves. You can dry very many of them until you fill a whole tank, because it's a tree that's always green the whole year round. When these leaves have dried, we now come and grind them to form the guava tea. We form guava tea. Our ancestors, our grandmothers, our grandparents used to use the guava tea. Guava tea, once the leaves are dry and you have now ground them to a brown substance, it just looks like the ordinary tea leaves. Yours is to take hot water, mix with your guava tea and take. What are the benefits of the guava tea? Guava tea is known as an antioxidant. Our parents understood that very well. We did not have many problems, many stomach and intestinal problems, because guava tea is there to help us. They knew it will be able to control the blood sugar problems in our system. After you have enjoyed your meal, rest, then take your guava tea. The guava tea is made from the leaves. Now let us look at the fruits from the guava plant. We have the guavas, the green ones, these ones here. We also have the ones which are ripening, the yellow ones like these ones which are already turning ripe. Now, the guava is a fruit that has a very high level of vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Guava has a lot of ascorbic acid, and ascorbic acid is known as an immune booster in our bodies. It boosts our immunity. So if you are eating guavas, you are in the right place. You are having a lot of vitamin C by eating these guava fruits. You are enjoying a lot of vitamin C. The guava fruits are themselves, you look at them, the green color with a lot of chlorophyll is also important in our body. So when we munch on the guava fruit, we are very happy. When we eat this guava fruit, you find that it brings a calming effect on your digestive system. Apart from this guava fruit having a lot of vitamin C, it's also having a lot of fiber. A lot of fiber. When you eat like one guava or two guavas in a day, you have actually satisfied the fiber requirement of your body. A lot of fiber. You not end up with constipation. You have used the green. You have used the fruits as required by the World Health Organization. You have eaten your fruit with a lot of fiber. It reduces on constipation. You will not have digestive problems when you eat your guava fruit. The guava fruit is also very important because it has a lot of vitamins. A lot of vitamins are found in this guava, and vitamins are immune boosters in our bodies. Currently, we have very many people getting diagnosed with cancer. You know, in our bodies we have free radicals. The free radicals which are roaming about in our bodies and robbing us of our good health. The more you eat guavas, the more you are getting antioxidants that come to our bodies and fight the free radicals. Eat your guava every day. And by the way, when you eat your guava fruits, you feel full. You feel like you are satisfied. And as long as you are feeling like you are satisfied, you will not be able to eat a lot of food. Therefore, when you eat these guava fruits, they kind of help you to maintain your weight. You don't go overeating because already your stomach feels like it's already full. Just eating 2 of them, you feel something has already occupied your stomach. So you will not eat a lot of food because of the guava fruit. If you look at these guava fruits also, where I'm standing, there's a very sweet scent. A very sweet scent. Now, if you are somebody who loves animals, who loves insects, for example, the bees and the other insects, that sweet scent attracts the bees, especially when the guava tree is flowering. There's a lot of pollination that will take place. The bees will come here to enjoy the nectar from the flowers, and at the same time after that you'll have your fruits and you'll enjoy your guava fruits. Now, just looking at this guava tree itself, you can see it has a lot of branches. In Africa, we normally say that a tree is not just a tree in your home. It has many values. Like I've said, this one, I planted it for aesthetic values, for beautifying my compound. But it's giving me the leaves to make the guava tea. It's giving me the fruits, which are also giving me a lot of high nutritional value. But then the stems themselves, when you are done with this guava plant, we don't throw away the stem. The guava plant is important because you find that even the way the stem is as thick as it is, you can see this tree has been here only for 3 years. Look at the stem, it's very thick. If you have animals, they can lie under this tree. It provides the shade in your compound. The stem itself, if the tree was to die, in Africa it's used for firewood. So there's nothing wasted on this guava plant, apart from giving us the beauty in the home, the fruits, the leaves to make the guava tea. The stem, we also use it. There's also the shade for you to rest here with your guest or yourself when you want to rest. All right, we are still discussing about our guava plants. This one is another tree of guava in my compound, and I want to show you that even in African traditions, we used to be told that you can pick the young leaves of the guava plant and you chew them. I'm just picking this young leaf here, young leaves. You can see these ones. In African tradition, when people are having toothaches and achings on the gum, you simply take the young leaves of the guava plant and you chew them. Just like that, you chew them. You'll find that the place that was aching, it kind of becomes painless. You chew them. This is what our grandparents were doing. You keep chewing on the young leaves. And there was no limit to us how many you can chew. As you can see, this tree here, I planted it next to my house, and I've even put it where I can sit. You can see it gives very beautiful shade, and I comfortably come, and usually I sit under here, and when I sit here I get my fruits from there and I enjoy them. I'm now enjoying my guava tree fruits. I'm enjoying them. These are different species of the guava, different from the one we have just seen. This one is very sweet, and this one, they don't turn yellow. They are white inside. They don't turn yellow, these ones. When they are ripe, you can just see they become brighter. They don't turn yellow. They don't turn red like the other one. These ones are white inside, but they are very sweet. So we just get our trees, our fruits, and we sit here and we enjoy them. Welcome to our channel. We will be bringing you aspects about our culture. We'll be discussing with you about our African traditional vegetables. We'll be discussing with you a lot of fruits, and we'll be discussing with you ways of mentoring the youth and ways of mentoring our families. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed, but subscribe.